वेलकम टू दिस वीडियो। काफी लोग ये सवाल पूछते हैं कि इस किट से उनको क्या बेनिफिट होगा। आज मैं वही सवाल का जवाब देने वाला हूं। और अगर आपने किट नहीं खरीदी है, सो टुडे यू आर गोइंग टू सी व्हाट अमेजिंग बेनिफिट्स यू विल गेट वंस यू विल ऑन दिस किट। सो अगर आप एक बिजनेस ओनर्स हैं तो चार लोगों के लिए बहुत डेवलप इंपॉर्टेंट है किट। इफ यू आर अ कॉन्ट्रैक्टर, इफ यू आर एन आर्किटेक्टर, इफ यू आर अ डेवलपर, और इफ यू आर अ सुपरवाइजरी स्टाफ। सो इफ यू आर अ कॉन्ट्रैक्टर, देन यू कैन इंक्रीज योर प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी by making your team more answerable. This complete system will give you, this complete kit will give you a system which will make your team more and more performing. आपके ऊपर जो डिपेंडेंसीज हैं वो कम हो जाएंगी। नंबर 2, you will get what if learnings from 150 plus projects। तो आपको अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स में गलतियां नहीं करनी है, जो हो चुकी हैं उनसे लर्न करना है। You have to grow, you have to implement from there। राइट। सो अगर आप CADS में ए हैं, आर्किटेक्ट हैं, कंसल्टेंट हैं, सो यू विल बी एबल टू जनरेट 2x ब्रांड वैल्यू। और ये कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स के लिए भी अप्लाई होती है कि अगर आपने किट ऑन करी एंड यू विल शो इट टू योर कस्टमर्स, you will create an amazing impression. Apart from this, with this kit, the architects, they can build the 2x brand value because they will be able to give the detailed BOQ and the specifications for their projects, because everything is ready on a platter only for you. And yes, with this kit you can build those buildings which will bring awards for you, which you can win the awards in various areas. If you are an architect, you can create those amazing buildings on this planet Earth, right? And if you are a developer, you if you are executing these projects, you will get equipped to run multiple projects in parallel. It also applies on the contractors as well. And yes, you will get 10x revenue. You can scale up to 10x revenue using this kit. The components which it brings for you, you just have to implement it. Everything is there on the platter only and only for you, right? And then you build the world class structures. You equip your team with the tools and templates and standard ways of working on the construction projects. They have the proper site documentation, so you start working as a world class developer when you are executing any project. As a supervisor, you get amazing benefits. As a supervisor, you lead like the CEOs with the dashboard, with the information which is required for monitoring the project. Apart from that, you execute the project very fast, and the conflicts which happens with the contractors on various terms and conditions get drastically reduced, because you have a complete structure over which parameters you have to negotiate, you have to discuss with the contractors, right? So these are typical benefits which people get out of this kit once they own it. Apart from that, I will share this kit comes in 4 different varieties. One is the sample kit, for which you already have the access. Then the light kit, which have only the quality checklist with the PMP templates. And then the basic version of kit is there, which gives you the awareness content and equip your team how to do that thing, and all the things which are there in light kit. The last kit is the pro version, which have everything which is there in the basic kit. Apart from that, it gives you a lot of data analytics, and then it will give you the lot of systems which are required for your information, right? Apart from that, yes, once you buy this kit, yes, so there it goes. Once you buy this kit, you are getting amazing benefits. A team is working for you. You get 100% satisfaction guarantee. We will make sure that whatever your concerns, they are being answered, and if they are not answered, within 48 hours we will pay back your money for which you have invested for buying this kit. Apart from that, you have 1 year upgrade. You get all the upgrades free for the 1 year duration when you buy this kit. So complete ecosystem is given to you along with the workshop and the conferences which we conduct for the implementation of these workshop. So these benefits you will get when you buy these smart construction management toolkit. So I highly recommend you to buy the kit, to own the kit right now if you have not purchased it. I am Abhinav Bhardwaj, son of a homemaker and a professor, father of a cute student, husband of a super supportive wife, tech guy from a tier 3 city, grown as a civil engineer from IIT Delhi, grown as a PMP building in New Zealand, Oman and India, grown as a co-founder of Manamov Engineers, and Manamov has brought this smart construction management toolkit only and only for you, which is 100,000 plus ready to use construction documents. And this is the only toolkit you will ever need as a construction professional, as a contractor, as an architect, as a developer, or as a supervisor. Thank you for watching this video.